Hello, my name is Gloria Verdugo Flores. I'm 40 years old. I am a graduate tourist accommodation management studies. I can speak Spanish, is my mother tongue, English perfectly, and a great knowledge of German. I have been 15 years working in a hotel of housekeeper in Torremolinos. It was a great and a successful experience for me. I would like to emphasize that I am a demanding person with work, very responsible and organized, that loves her job. I like my job, receive people, foreign or tourist person who want to stay in a hotel to receive a wonderful and unforgettable experience. And this is the best job for me. I like my job. Thank you.